If you're looking to burn belly fat, you need to do some home exercises. Here are a few of the best. 1. Sit-ups. Sit on the floor with your feet flat on the ground, and your back against the wall. Bend your knees and place your hands on your thighs. Drive your heels into the ground, and lift your torso up towards the sky. Hold the position for a few seconds, then slowly lower your body back down to the ground. Do as many as possible. 2. Crunches. Lie down on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground. Bring your hands to your chest, and lift your torso and upper legs off the ground. Pull your abs towards your spine, and slowly lower your body back down to the ground. Do as many as possible. 3. Planks. Place your hands on the ground, shoulder width apart. Place your feet flat on the ground, and lift your body up so that your hips and torso are in line with each other. Hold the position for a few seconds, then slowly lower your body back down to the ground. Do as